I woke up one morning. My private jets are gone. My hotels are gone. All my properties are gone. Everything gone. And they declared, this man is bankrupt. Within 2 years, from bankruptcy to abundance. And I even became more better. 10 times than I was before. Do you know why? In the years when I was bankrupt, I never gave up. You never even knew about it. Because I was prepared to operate under pressure. When God raised Major One up, a lot of weapons were coming every direction. But I never cried. I never bent. I never cowered. I stood up and I said, I am not giving up. I am not giving up. I am moving forward. In the name of Jesus.
Major.